Hey, what's up, guys? And today we're going to be taking a look at the updated model guidance and how this severe weather threat is getting more intense throughout the coming days. And we'll be taking a look at this winter storm that will get going at the end of this week and what the changes have been to the models and how they're still showing some disagreement even though we're only 4 days out. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you guys like weather, please subscribe. Other than that, let's get into it. So first, we're going to take a look at the newest GFS model, and it shows something pretty weird with the severe weather. And here it comes on the 14th, developing really on the 14th into the 15th, and that really starts to ramp up into the 15th. And then it becomes a 975 millibar low pressure system, which is extremely strong. That's producing very strong winds. And you can see something weird happens here, and we kind of get this down there in Louisiana. And in the south, you get this another low pressure system forms down here. So it's almost like this storm in the north is so strong that it is like breaking apart from this storm, and then the severe weather is becoming a whole separate low pressure system and storm, which would increase the intensity of the severe weather, which is what we see on this model run. And you can see that we have extremely severe weather throughout Tennessee in all areas in the south into even the Midwest. And this will be producing strong tornadoes, hail, high winds, and potential for flash flooding. So this is going to be very, very nasty if you live in any of these areas. And then it moves east and kind of weakens a little bit, but you still have a line of storms that can produce locally severe thunderstorms. And that is honestly the main concern as of now, is just severe weather. And then you can see after this, another storm moves in the same exact areas for snow, and then it creates another line of severe weather moving eastward, and then this pattern just keeps going. So the pattern right now is in this area in the Midwest and the north, we have snow, cold storms, and in the southeast, we have severe weather. So this pattern doesn't look like it's going away anytime soon, and this next storm might as well, or very well, could be one of the biggest storms of March, if not the biggest, because it definitely is the biggest so far. But how much snow could we see out of this? It's quite a bit locally. If you take a look at the snowfall amounts, you can see that this is the storm right there. Look at that snow pop up. It's a very defined line, but if you're in one of these bullseye areas, you're talking 12 to 18 inches in locally some spots, and then up here in the canyon left going for 20. But then you have this wide area of, I'd say, probably 5 to 10, probably about that. And for these areas showing 15, I think that's more about a foot. I think it's going to be a little bit less than what this GFS model is showing as of now. That could change. What does the Euro model say for snow? Well, one thing is that it doesn't show a separate low pressure system forming for the severe weather, and it also doesn't show as much snow. You can see the snow maps look very, very different. This area doesn't even get snow on the GFS model, and this area up here, I got 15 inches on the GFS, gets 2. So there's going to be a lot of ironing out this forecast over the next about 2 days, I'd say. But a good thing to look at when you're this far out is the blended model data. So this is every model combined, and you can see that it's kind of agreeing with this area of the GFS, and not quite as far south as the Euro model. And then it's giving you a 6 to 7 inch mean of snowfall in all these states in there. What could we be talking about severe weather-wise? Well, take a look at this is for day 5 of probability for severe weather. And you can see a rare day 4 and 5, 30% here in the orange. And you can see that this is going to last multiple days. It's going to be slow moving, which will even be more of a concern for flash flooding, because it'll have more time to rain. And then you can see this is day 5, and then you're moving into day 6. It's very rare to get 30%, so you just have 15% pretty much all up and down the whole East Coast. So what could we be seeing from this? Well, very strong winds. It could give us some tornadoes, hail definitely, and definitely flash flooding. And we'll take a look at how much rain we could get from this, even though it's going to change in the coming days. But you take a look at this, and you can see right about here on the 15th and 16th, bang, Look at that area in the yellow right there. That is an insane amount of rain, and I don't know why it's not working right now. Hold on. But if this would occur, then you would most definitely have flash flooding. And you can see they're going for 4.5 to 5 inches of rain, even 6 in this area. So, in this right here in the heart of Tennessee, if you get 6 inches of rain, you're going to have flash flooding. And then you continue to move that, almost the whole entire state of Tennessee is over 2.5. Even that very northwestern part, you're going for over half an inch. So, the flash flooding is going to be a big concern, as well as tornadoes and hail. So, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like the weather, please subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you next time.